Hello traders, welcome back to Profit Technicals. In this video we are going to talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, but before that I'm going to show you a chart of ISMT, which is a long-term trade. ISMT has broken its cup. This cup is of nearly, you can say, of from 2010, and this is 2023, which is a very good cup. It even had an handle which is again retested. First here it was not breaking, and now this is retested, and even it is confirming that it will go up. So looking at the target of the cup, the same thing we will do. We see a target of 100 rupees, which you can buy anywhere in this zone or just above this, and you can go for 25, but your SL is only and only of somewhere around, you can say, nearly about 15 rupees, but the target is going for nearly about 25 rupees, and if this thing is also broken, the high can be touched. So you can go for this trade. First of all, that this is not any recommendation for buying or selling any instrument. This is for learning purpose. Let me clear this. All right, 103 where it comes, and if this thing is gone, you can see it going till 117. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite Bank Nifty. In my last video you might have seen where I did analysis for Bank Nifty 5 days back, 5 to 6 days back. That was on Monday. I told you that Bank Nifty is bullish, it will go up, and we saw all the targets hitting in last week. Now what? Let me explain you why. Here was a support, then we saw a good candle, it came, tried to retest, and then there was a engulfing candle, and above this I just said that we have to just go up, because this was a zone where you can say that it was a make or break zone. I even gave you a short thing that it may reach 39,166 and low of 39,058, but price action works, so that also on a good support, in a support area where you can even call it a support zone. Now what's this? What do we see? It was going up nicely, and at a point it even showed that this thing is coming down, but it did not break this green candle's low, and next day it was a bull stash. in my video before of Wipro, I've explained you that what is a bull stash, and it gave all the targets in one day. So now what is it? Going to the weekly chart, the same thing what we saw before. It is a good green candle trying to engulf this red candle. What you have to do is, you have to buy on the high of this candle, and going back to the daily chart, you can see that it can reach 41,786, and if that thing is broken, then you may see a target of 42,029. Be very careful on this zone between 41,786 and 42,029. Why? Because from here, this was the low of the spinning top. This is the high of the spinning top. This needs to break the high to go bullish. You can say we are bullish, but we are not kind of a real bullish situation till the time this spinning top, this red color spinning top, what we saw on the budget day, is not taken out. We will discuss more as the days will pass, but this is now what we can do in Bank Nifty. But Bank Nifty, you have to be in longs only and only when the high of Friday is broken, is taken out. So you have a good gap of this going up. And what about coming down? I would suggest that anywhere between if you see a breakdown only and only after 41,111, you can go for little bit shorts, but don't do anything between this zone 41,111 to 41,406 for coming in for making any shorts, because this may play as a support area, or you can see a very high volatility. And if anytime you see this coming down from here, you can try to go to 40,776. According to the price action, the real downtrend only starts if a 50% of such an engulfing candle is broken. So what we will see, the 50% of this is anywhere between after 40,586. So let's see how does this works, but trade carefully, trade nicely. This is what I would say. Talking about Nifty, on Monday I did told you that I'm not getting conviction for longing Nifty as it has broken its low, but it has gained the momentum back maybe for any reasons. Now what is this? We even saw a bull stash in Nifty, but I even told you in that video that here is a gap, and here is a good gap of 17,500 of 17,771 and 17,797.20. So you may see Nifty going and touching this this zone over here, and if this thing is going, then everything what we discussed in Bank Nifty could be also possible. Let me tell you that these both are brothers, Nifty and Bank Nifty. They go many a times in hand, and when they both go in hand, then you can have good targets. And this is a very good place where Nifty has stopped. If you see anything going above here, you can start making longs. And once this high of Friday is broken, then you may be easily reaching to 17,767, which is the low of this gap. So be a responsible trader. After all, you are your own money manager. Don't do anything weird. Market is showing a good trend, or you can say it is making a trend. So trade responsibly. You will be the only one person who will be responsible for your profits and for your loss. This is now what I have. Thank you very much. See you in next video.